St. Patrick's Day and no cookies? I don't think so. Let's make some Lucky Charm no bakes. I highly recommend, after you get these on the cookie sheets, refrigerate them for a little bit. It'll let them sit up, and they're still kind of ooey gooey, even when they're cold. The other option you could do is put them in a casserole dish and pat them down just like you do Rice Krispie treats, and then cut them into squares. But I thought cookies would be the way to go. Let's give them a try. Wow. Okay, this is going to be a kid favorite. It's pretty much, you gotta like marshmallows. There's a lot of marshmallows, and you get the crunch of the cereal with the ooey gooiness. Really cool, amazing sweet treat for the kids, and happy St. Patrick's Day. Give me a like and subscribe. Thanks for following.